bougie. He say the way that thing move is a movie. I told him, boy, we gotta keep it low, give me the room key. Gotta bet the block and that's hot, bitch, I'm Tucci. I'm moving and I'm moody. I'm a savage, classic, Gucci, ratchet, sassy, booty, nasty, acting stupid. What was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I was savage, classy, Gucci.
Well, hello, everyone. Welcome to Wine and Wellness Wednesday. I am Lindsay Brantley, the founder of Camellia Alise, and I'm super excited to be here with you guys. I am especially excited because I am here with a new smile. So for the first time in 3 years, I am braces and Invisalign free. So y'all clap for me because I am super excited. So my smile today will be extra bright. Okay, that's just my little side note. But happy Wine and Wellness Wednesday, everyone. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day so far. And of course, I am coming to discuss with you everything between self-care, skincare, and in between. I'm very excited to be here with you guys today. One quick reminder I wanted to give you, we are doing another giveaway and the winner will be announced next Wednesday. So please make sure that if you have not already entered the giveaway, enter it. All you have to do is go in, like our page, I think tag 3 friends, and you are entered to win one of our free scrubs. So go and do that. Super easy for you guys to, get some free product. Try us out, okay? And last week, of course, we talked a little bit about both self-care and skincare. And this week, I'm going to talk a little bit about both as well. The topic that I wanted to discuss with you guys, I don't think is going to take us very long. But I'm going to talk about detoxing and the importance of detoxing today. I'm also really excited because today was my first full day here in the studio. Camellia Alise Studios is officially open and we are seeing clients again in a very, very safe and controlled manner. So if you are looking for, detox services, body contouring services, Pilates, our Pilates classes are back up and going as well. So we have all of that available for you. We are doing temperature checks. We are making sure that you wear masks or we wear masks depending on the services. Like today I had someone doing a facial. Clearly she can't wear a mask while she's doing the facial. So we did temperature checks. I wore a mask as well as my clear block thing to kind of make sure that I'm double protected. And we're washing our hands a million times. We're doing everything that we can to keep you guys safe. And we hope that you guys are doing the same. But we are very excited to be open. And so today's topic, detoxing, came from my client today because she got a facial. One of my clients, she got a facial today, and then she also got 2 of our foot detox services. And so some of the common questions that come along with the detox services are, okay, why do I need to do this? How often do I need to do it? Which of these detoxes is best for me? There's all kinds of questions around detoxes. And every time you turn around, there's a different kind, right? There's a tea detox. There's a foot detox. Of course, you can detox your body by drinking water, but there are digestive detox. There's probiotics that are supposed to help with digestion. So I just kind of wanted to shed a little bit of light on what some of the different detoxes are, some good, some bad, and then of course answer your questions around detoxing. Of course, that's most important. So if you have questions around detoxing or general skincare, self-care, that's what today is about. So if you have any of those questions, ask them as I talk. But specifically, I wanted to talk about digestive detoxes and foot detoxes, and then some of the steam detoxes as well. So we offer a variety of detox services, but what is the importance of detoxing, right? So the first thing is every day of our lives, we go out, we breathe air, especially now, right? We're breathing air that we don't know if, there are virus droplets in it, but we're also looking around us environmentally. We have heavy metals. You may be wearing makeup. You might be putting or depositing certain things into your body. just by what you're wearing, by the lotion you're putting on, our body absorbs everything that we do all day long, right? So the purpose of detoxing is to flush your body of all of the toxins, chemicals, day-to-day carcinogens, viruses, all the things that your body has been absorbing, to take time to flush those things out of your system. There's a variety of ways that you can do this. There's no shortage of detoxes. And one question we got is, which detox works best, or does it vary per person? It really just depends on what you're trying to achieve, okay? So two of the detoxes that we do are foot detoxes, because I always tell people the foot and the head are the gateways to your body, right? You absorb a lot of things through your feet. You have more pores in your feet. So we do two different kinds of foot detoxes, but that is specifically for certain things that you're trying to get rid of. And I'm going to show you really, really quickly. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the services that we offer, but this really quickly is just a chart of one of the foot detoxes that we do, okay? So with this foot detox, based on the color that the water changes, this is the Ionic foot detox. So based on your chemical makeup of your body, your water is going to turn different colors, right? So I have a client that has lupus. So she's going to get a really, and you don't see this very often, but a really green colored water, because she has a weak immune system, and that's what is her body is trying to detox things away from her compromised immune system. Whereas the typical person, most of us, we're going to be detoxing from our lymphatic system, because that's, that the lymph nodes are made to pull toxins out of your body and transport them safely away. That's what your lymph nodes are for. But then you're also going to probably get maybe an orange water, where you're detoxing from your joints or from your liver. Your liver and your kidneys are your body's filtration system, right? So those are the things that normally are pulling everything out to protect you. So detoxing from your liver is a pretty normal thing. Okay, so that's just one example. So a foot detox is one. If you are trying to lose weight, I always say a digestive detox is good for you, because a lot of us carry around a lot of toxins and extra waste in our gut. Okay, we carry, all of us, we carry a lot of different things that are absorbed into our colon, into our intestines. So I always tell people to do that kind of detox. It really and truly depends on what you are trying to achieve. But the first step to detoxing is always going to be increasing your water intake. If you are increasing your water intake, your body is able to process and dump waste more efficiently. So it doesn't matter if you're trying to lose weight, or if you're trying to figure out, why, as a woman, typically a lot of us deal with like yeast infection, bacteria infections, and so you can do vaginal steaming or ways to help with that specific area. But if you're dealing with any kind of parasites, any kind of sicknesses, the first thing that they always tell you to do is increase your water intake, right? So the first step, I would say, when you're detoxing is always going to be to drink water. Secondly, to answer your question, Tiffany, and just to kind of round it out a little bit, if you are trying to detox from a specific condition or a specific concern, then yeah, your detox is going to be different depending on what that concern is. If I'm just trying to have more energy, for instance, we do like a thermal infusion foot soak that is a detox. And what that means is we do a special herbal blend that you soak your feet in for about 20 minutes, so that your body starts to absorb those herbs to naturally energize you. So if you're trying to energize your body, you're going to do a different detox than you would if you're trying to, say, get rid of a yeast infection. So it really and truly just depends on what you're trying to achieve. So yes, detoxes work very well. It just depends on what you're trying to achieve, and it's going to vary from person to person. So that's to answer that question. As far as recommendations, obviously, I think that if you are trying to get rid of something like a yeast infection, or you like most of us, for COVID, right? You've probably been having more drinks than normal. So if you're trying to give your liver and your kidneys a break, then yes, the foot detox that we have is going to help with your liver and kidney. And then also I would recommend that you do a liver detox tea. So if you've been drinking a lot and you're trying to rehydrate yourself and kind of get your body back to a more balanced place, then yes, I would say a foot detox, and I would say a liver tea would be, a tea detox would be the two recommendations. If you are trying to lose weight, then I would say you definitely should work with a more a digestive detox that can kind of get some of that stuff that is kind of stuck in your digestive system out. That's one of the steps, of course, that would help with weight loss. So if you guys have any other questions about detoxing, please let me know. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of come on and talk a little bit. That's our kind of self-care topic for the week, is detoxing. So how's everybody doing, by the way, with their 28-day challenge? Last week we talked about like walking and physical activity as a way to care for yourself, right? And so after our call, I posted some different 28-day walking challenges, also like walking, yoga, Pilates, like a different combination of ways that you could kind of get out there and physically move. And so personally, I have not only started to move a little bit more with walking, but I'm starting to do yoga every day, and I'm waking up every day doing breathing exercises, right? So I just wanted to hear from you guys how your 28-day challenge is going. So definitely send us a message. Let us know which kind of 28-day challenge are you doing? Are you walking, you running, you doing yoga? Let me know that for sure. We got another question. Okay, so are there any detoxes that help best for clearing the skin? Okay, so when it comes to the skin, the first thing I would do is definitely a liver detox. I posted this last week and I'll post it again this week, but the face map kind of shows you that depending on where you're breaking out, there are certain parts of your body that can be affected. And a lot of times we break out in this area, right? This tends to be the liver area. And also I will say this, keep in mind that a lot of what happens with our skin, it's not just, okay, I put this product on my face. A lot of it is stress. And right now, I think we're all a little bit stressed, right? Because everybody is out here trying to manage a bunch of different things. So sometimes it is stress related. It can also be hormonal imbalances or hormonal changes. If you notice, for women, especially if you are trying to do birth control, or if there's a lot of different things, but all of a sudden you try a new birth control and you've got acne all over your face, right? So there are a couple different things that can be affecting your skin. First, I would say do a liver detox, because a lot of times in this area, it's liver and kidneys that are being affected. So I would do that. I would actually recommend a foot detox because it does help to detox from your liver. But so maybe a tea detox as well as a foot detox. And then also increasing your water and finding out what you're putting in your body that could be adversely affecting your skin. One of my clients actually had really bad acne, and what I found out was she was allergic to cow's milk. So once I took her off of milk, and especially people who have PCOS, people who have endometriosis, who have hormonal disorders, a lot of times they'll take you off of milk and you will notice that your skin starts to clear up. So there's a couple different ways to detox your body to clear your skin. Those are my first lines of defense that I would try with a new client. Like I said, increasing your water. I would probably do a foot detox on her. I'm checking to see what she's putting on her face that may have an adverse reaction, and what is she putting in her body that we may be able to cut out to clear her skin. So those are the couple of ways that I would start with detoxing. But there's a few different things that could be affecting your skin. I will post the facial map again after today's call, so that or today's talk, so that you guys can kind of see if you are breaking out in the forehead, it kind of means this area. If you're breaking out on the cheeks, it kind of means this area. And based on that, you can look at it and pick a detox. I always say a detox tea. Detox teas work very well, and the herbal blends are made to help with certain areas, whether you're doing a liver, detox tea, or a weight loss tea, which helps with digestion. Each one makes up they're made with different blends so that you detox from different areas. So I will post that for you. And get you a little bit more information so that you guys are able to detox your body and clear up your skin as well. So really, that is all that I had for you guys today. Look at me, I'm just so happy with this new smile. But I just wanted to kind of reach out and talk to you guys a little bit about detoxing for your health. And like I said, for that 28-day challenge, you guys continue moving, getting out there. It will help with your stress. It'll help with your anxiety. I feel like my mood has lifted, and I've only been doing yoga and walking and stuff for 6 days last time we were here. So it's making a big difference for me, and I challenge you guys to get out there and continue moving as well. So until next week, you guys have an amazing evening. Oh, also don't forget to enter the giveaway if you have not already done so. The giveaway will be announced next Wednesday. So, all you gotta do is like us, share it with a couple people, and get some free products. Why not? So we'll talk to you guys next Wednesday. You guys have a great evening. Thanks.